Behind the Xeros machine's not-so-different facade lies a revolutionary new technology. This unique system gives the Xeros machine the ability to save water, energy, and detergent on every load while giving a more gentle yet superior clean.
This superior cleaning is only really achievable through the use of the beads. The action that the beads provide is threefold primarily. There's mechanical action, which is a rubbing action, like 1.3 million little hands doing individual hand washes on the load. There's also absorption. The beads can take into the structure various things like vagrant dye, staining, other things which you really don't want to be in and around your clothes. And the other is adsorption. This is a surface attraction. The beads physically can attract soiling and staining that are on the load and take it away in a way which conventional laundry machines physically can't do.
So that explains the superior cleaning of the Xeros system, but how is the Xeros system gentler on fabrics, thus providing a prolonged linen life?
A conventional machine is high temperature, high chemistry, high action in the drum. The Xeros machine is low temperature, low chemistry, and a very gentle and uniform action created by the beads. Now, one of the things which this can give is a benefit for the actual fabric itself. High chemistry, high temperatures especially, can cause a lifetime issue with fabrics. The fabric will fade, colors will go dull, and that's not good. Whites will go gray, and the fabric itself will become weak and eventually may tear, rip, have holes, and that will then need to be replaced. Because we are low temperature, low chemistry, and very uniform action, we're much gentler on the fabrics which we are washing, which means that we can extend the life of this linen. We can extend the number of times it can be laundered before it comes to the end of its useful lifespan.